Another day, another English lesson using do so, does so, did so, and done so. Hello everyone! Today's lesson is about expressions that help us avoid repeating the same words. We use do so, does so, did so, and done so as proforms. A proform takes the place of a longer action or verb phrase. Instead of repeating the action, we just replace it with one of these expressions. For example, my sister always promises to wash the car, but she rarely does so. Here, does so means wash the car. The form changes depending on the verb tense. Present tense, do so, does so. Example, he says he will tell the truth and he usually does so. Past tense, did so. Example, I asked him to close the window and he immediately did so. Perfect tense, done so, already completed. Example, I don't have to water the plants because my neighbor has already done so. So when you want to avoid repeating a verb phrase, use these expressions. This keeps sentences clear and natural. Now watch and complete the sentences with do so, does so, did so, or done so. One, he promised to call at noon, and he did so right on time. 2, even if you want to change your vote, you can't do so. 3, few have volunteered, but those who have done so are very committed. 4, she understands the risks of vaping, yet she continues to do so. 5, yesterday was the last day to submit your assignment. I hope you all have done so. 6, he asked me to apologize, but I refused to do so. 7, I suggested that they compromise, and to my surprise, they immediately did so. 8, operators need to pass a test before operating this machine. Fortunately, she was able to do so. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more lessons.